Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I will show you how to remove background of an image or photo. You can remove or change image background easily. Let's go to the video. Open up Google browser and go to search bar. Now search here remove background or remove BG. Click on first option remove BG. Now click on this first website remove background. Here you can see the website is open now. Now you have to scroll down. There is option of upload image is here. Click on this option. Now you have to select an image which you want to remove background. You can select from browser also. I select a photo from my browser option. You can select from WhatsApp or anywhere else. The background is being removed. Here you can see the background of image has been removed. There are two options, download and download HD. When I click on download HD, it is not signing up for free. I will click on just simple download. Here you can see an option of download again because I have already downloaded this pic. File downloaded open. Here you can see the background of image has been removed. Now you can go to your gallery and check where this photo is located. I click on photos, then click on download. At very bottom you can see the background of this image has been removed. Now you can use this image in your poster, in your ads, or you can use in this videos of your YouTube thumbnails. When I open Canva, then I go to gallery and I select that photo. When I select that photo, now I can add it in my thumbnail or in any other ads or my poster or banners. This is very easy method. Here you can see you can increase its size or decrease. You can also change its direction by flip. With this method you can easily remove background of an image. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.